Hearty welcome, my dear children. I welcome you all to our English teleteaching class. So, children, before starting our today's lesson, let's do some fun activity. I have kept a very interesting thing for you. So, let's start. You please look at your screen. Okay. What are you seeing, children, on your screen? Just see. I'm just giving you a few seconds. You please guess. Your work is that you have to recognize all the pictures. Okay, let's start. I'm giving you time. Yes. So, children, among you who have already recognized all the picture, I have collected 18 pictures. You please count it down. I have collected 18 pictures. You please look at your screen. So, if you are able to recognize all the pictures, okay, then you give 18 thumbs up to yourself. And if you are not able to recognize or below 18 you have achieved, you cannot know or you could not guess that who is the person, then you have to brush your general knowledge up. So, I am just giving you the information about them. First, you see Mahatma Gandhi, and you know he is popularly known as our Bapu. Yes, I know. He is a nation leader and he has done many things for country in the national movement, like your non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha, like this. Then, right to him, you just see Bhagat Singh. Okay, he is the inspiring youth personality in the time of independence, and his dialogue that Inqilab Jindabad have a very profound impact on the youth, especially in the time of that independence. And then next to him, Amitabh Bachchan. All of you know him. He is a very good and superstar of our Bollywood industry. Then next is Babu Shan from our Odia film industry. Then Shah Rukh Khan. तुम्हें समस्त पिलामाने मानकु जानिथिबो हमकु जानिथिबो हेउछन शाहरुख खान, the king khan of our Bollywood, and for his working hard and determination he become a very good superstar of all over the country. Is famous, I think. Then James Bond, he is a hit guy from your Hollywood. Yes, I know. Then Sachin Tendulkar, you know he is a shining star in the sky of your cricket. Then you please recognize him. Yes or no? He is Major Dhyanchand Singh. You can call him hockey wizard. Then Mary Kom. He is a very inspiring lady in the field of boxing. Yes or no? Then next is who? Vivekanand, spiritual monk, leader, and you know all of you about him. You have read many things about him. Then Mother Teresa. She is a very inspiring lady, has dedicated her total life for the sake of humanity, for the needy person, for the poor people. Then left to her, she is who? She is Lata Mangeshkar, that ruled millions of hearts in our Bollywood by his sweet voice, and she is also called as your Nightingale of Bollywood. Okay, then just come down. Here is Kalpana Chawla. You know, that she is the first Indian American astronaut that to fly in the space. Then next to her, Kiran Bedi, she is the first IPS Indian woman. Then Biju Patnaik, who is he? Son, what do you call? Bhumi Putra, the son of soil. You know that his legacy and his famousity just go beyond the boundaries, not only in India, rather in all over the country, all over the world. Then you have already known in your chapter the missile man he is who? APJ Abdul Kalam. Then children, you see those are very interesting figure, your Spider-Man and Superman. So children, my question is to you that what are you seeing the common quality in all the pictures? Yes, these are, you can call them heroes. So, जो मानुका में hero बोली कहूँ, that means they are different field. Yes and no? National hero, sports hero, international hero, and fictional heroes also. But children, you just see at your screen again that if you want to describe that whom we call a hero is someone who has done something brave, new or good, and who is therefore recognized for his or her courage, outstanding achievements or noble qualities and greatly admired by a lot of people. That means the common quality in them are they are something achieved, very good things are done very good for the society. But children, what about them? You just see, there are many heroes. Those are not famous in the eyes of the world, but nevertheless they are heroes by the simple acts of kindness, love and courage. They are called your everyday heroes. जो माने कि by chance or accidentally maybe निज लाइफ रे से हीरो हो जाइछन्ते. I am just giving one example that your father जे तुमको बहुत विपद जे तुमको रक्षा करिसंती, प्रोटेक्ट करजन, so your father is definitely hero for you. In the absence of your father, your mother has done many sacrifices for you, so your mother is a hero for you. So children, today the lesson we are going to study or we are going to read, this is also about a small boy, okay, who has done a very great thing and accidentally by chance he became turn himself from zero to hero. Overnight change तार हेची से बहुत ही गोटे डरुआ गोटे काउड पिला जे कि कौन करिछि एमिति गोटे किछि कार्य करिछि जहा द्वारा कि से राता राती निजको जीरो रु हीरो रे परिणत करिछि. So let's start. So today's topic we have taken for you a hero. This is the chapter last prose piece from your English book. So children, definitely before starting this lesson we have to keep some ideas, some knowledge about the author. Here, R.K. Narayanan, Rashipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami, popularly known as R.K. Narayan, is widely considered to be one of the greatest Indian English novelists. He was born on 10th October 1906 in Madras, now renamed as Chennai. So children, about the writer, if you are going to, I'm going to just give you some more points that he began his writing career with Swami and his friends in 1935. And this prose piece, especially a hero, जोटा पिला माने आज में पढ़िबे को जाउछे, is an extract taken from this novel. Most of his works were set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. What do you know by fictional? That means which is not real. Fictional means imaginary, you can say. It is not present, not existed. Okay. He is known for the simple and unpretentious writing style. He highlights the social content and provides a feel for his characters through everyday life. So children, some famous works and some awards also he got that many prestigious awards also like this. I have just listed out some these are the noble works for him. The Man-Eater of Malgudi, The Bachelor of Arts, The Guide, it's a very famous guide, means your novel, The English Teacher, The Financial Expert and Waiting for Mahatma. And many prestigious award has already won, that is Sahitya Academy Award in 1958 for his novel This Guide, and Padma Bhushan in 1964. A.C. Benson Medal by the British Royal Society of Literature in the year of 1980, and also Padma Vibhushan in 2001, and nominated for Rajya Sabha, that is the upper house, you can say, of your parliament or Indian parliament, that is Rajya Sabha, in 1989. So children, let's start. First let me read aloud the paragraph. Children, for your convenience, I have already segregated this part 1, okay, for today's section into numbers. So definitely we will go gradually one by one, then I will make you to understand whole SGP and by line, okay. See, first I am reading. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight of a tree, where he stayed for half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. After reading it through, father looked at Swami fixedly and asked, "What do you say to that?" Swami said, "I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not at all a boy. How could a boy fight a tiger?" Children, I have already read it out. So now I just collected some difficult words, or you can say some new words for you. Okay, let's have a look. You see, the first word, events, which mean incidents or happenings, you can say. Next, an unexpected turn. What do you mean? An unpredictable or unanticipated change. Then the third one is face to face with, means close to something, that looking at it, facing one another. Then last one, reading it through, means reading it from beginning to end. Okay. Then the next word is bravery. What do you mean by bravery? You know, children, bravery means boldness. What do you mean by fixedly? That means continuously without looking away. Then the next one is grown up person. It means adult. So children, these are the word notes I have collected from this paragraph. Children, I just request you to please take out your book and pen and paper. You write down all the words and write down the meaning. Definitely you are having your own system in your hand. You can also follow again and again. You please write down all the meaning, that will develop your vocabulary and you will feel easy to understand the SGP. So children, you see at your screen, I have given a picture here. Swami's father reading newspaper, and in your right side, Swami. Just see how he is listening to his father. Okay, so lesson started. That means your story is started with the point that what happened? ना कौन ହେଇଛି ଥରେ ନା ବାପା ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ସେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ କୁ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଉପରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଧ୍ୟାନ ଅଛି. And what was that article? You just see that the news report was about the village lad. Okay children, while returning home by the jungle path, he came face to face with a tiger. The news report described the fight of the boy that the boy had with the tiger, and is a flight up the tree where he stayed for a half a day. Then some villagers came that way and killed the tiger. That means ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ଷ୍ଟୋରିର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସିନ୍ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫାଦର ୱାଜ୍ ରିଡ଼ିଂ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର ଭେରି ସିରିୟସଲି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟେଲିଂ ଟୁ ହିଜ୍ ସନ୍, okay Swami, you please see that article that one boy was coming by the jungle path and he came across with a tiger face to face. Face to face means ekdam se samna samni. Yes or no? Then what happened? Nah, that he didn't run away from that place. Okay, he just fought with that tiger and again flight over the tree. And what happened then? He waited there for half a day and he waited for somebody will come there and what? Kill the tiger. So children, first of all, you have to take into your mind about that news article report, that the Swami's father reading that newspaper article and try to motivate his son by what? Reading this newspaper. That means ଏଠୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛୁ ପିଲାମାନେ that ସ୍ୱାମୀର father definitely ଏତେ ସାରା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଭିତରୁ ଏଇ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଟା ହିଁ କାହିଁକି ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅକୁ କହୁଥିଲେ, କାରଣ ବୋଧହୁଏ ତାଙ୍କ ମନରେ ବି ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥିଲା ଯେ କାଶ ଏଇ ପୁଅ ଯେ କି ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସିଏ ବି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ରୂପରେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନ୍ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ତାର ହେବ, କାହିଁକି ନା that the news was about a village lad. Lad means a boy, a simple boy was returning in that jungle path and suddenly came with what? Face to face with a tiger. He fought with the tiger and that ନିଜକୁ ବଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲା? ଗଛକୁ ଚଢ଼ିଗଲା. You can see in the picture also. So children, then definitely I hope that you are all understood that paragraph. Definitely we will move to next paragraph. Please let me read aloud again. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father sneered. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a consumptive, but having courage, he can do anything. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Okay, children, from this paragraph I have also collected some new words for you. First, আমি তাকু দেখি নবা. तार माने में जानीदे जहाँद्वारा तुम मन को बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल हो पिला माने पैराग्राफ को बुझापी. सो फर्स्ट यू प्लीज सी sneered. What do you mean by sneered? To show that you have no respect for somebody by the expression on your face, or you can say that speaking in an unkind manner. जोक भी पिला में कहि परिबा का को जोक रे भी कहि परिबा. Then the next word is coward. What do you mean by coward? A person who is not brave, a person who is afraid. Okay? Then the next word is strength. What do you mean by strength, children? Stamina or the power of doing. Okay? बड़ जहाँ को कहते हैं stamina, आमर capacity, आमर बड़, the power of doing. Then the word is conjunctive. It's definitely a new word for you, I think. Consumptive means a person suffering from tuberculosis. पिला मैं तुम्हें जानी ना टीबी आमे कहू. The full form of TB is what you know? Tuberculosis, जहाँ को हम ओडिया रे जख्म रोगी मध्य कही था. So children, these are the new words. Definitely these new words and the meaning will make you more easy to understand the story. So here you see that after that news article पढ़ी सारिबा परे कौन हेछि देखो that they were having different views on that newspaper report. Okay, then what happened? You see that Swami कौन कहउथला तमे पिला मन देखो. You also follow your textbook. That I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person. Okay, that means not at all a boy. Then how could a boy fight a tiger? Then Swami's father kon कहउछन देखो that you think you are wiser than the newspaper. Father sneered. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, and whereas another may have the strength of a consumptive, but having courage he can do anything. Yes or no? Then courage is everything. The last line you see, courage is everything. That strength and age are not important. So here children, we have a differentiated, see at your screen that I have already segregated in two blocks. Swami's view. Swami kaun kahuchi that on this newspaper article that father, that a small boy could not fight with the tiger. तुम्हें जाने ना. Definitely he must have been a grown up person. That means grown up person, I have already listed in the your glossary. Grown up person means adult. But your father want to say that no. That means you, what do you want to say, Swami? You are more wiser than newspaper. You know more than the newspaper. Okay? No. Now Swami's father wants to say that strength and age is not important for your kind of information, my child. The important aspect is that you should have to possess the courage. Yes, my dear children, courage होची पिला माने एमिति गोटे क्वालिटी ऑफ द ह्यूमन वर्च्यू, ह्यूमन क्वालिटी हमर साहस रखिबा. That means in any kind of situation that any is happening, you can face your life. Okay, you can stand still, you may be stubborn if you are having the courage. If you don't have your courage, then definitely all things will gonna spoil. So children, here I just want to show you the difference of the views on a newspaper report article of a Swami and his father. Then what happened, you just see. Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, father? Suppose I have a lot of courage. What could I do if a tiger attacked me? Leave alone strength. Can you prove you have a courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. So, children, what happened here? You see that Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, father? You see, I have already made for you that here Swami disputed the theory and father's challenge to Swami. ओके देखो केमिति भाबरे धीरे धीरे तांकर चैलेंज टा तांकर जो डिसएग्री, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिस्प्यूटेड मींस डिसएग्री करबा जो हम राजी न होबा. ओके सो ये जो डिस्प्यूटेड द थ्योरी टा से जो थ्योरी को डिसएग्री कला, दैट ग्रेजुअली फादर इट्स टर्न इनटू अ चैलेंज फॉर स्वामी. Okay, here Swami is saying, how can it be, father? Suppose I have all the courage. What could I do if a tiger should attack me? And concurrent response is Swami's father is telling that leave alone strength. Okay, children. Okay, my child, that you are very much worried about your strength, age. You are saying that only that adult person can fight with a tiger, not a small boy, because small boys, they are very much weak. Okay, so let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ସେ ତାକୁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଲା ନା ପିଲାମାନେ କ'ଣ that you may be strong as strong as like a elephant, yes and no, but consumptive means ଯୋଉମାନେ ଜଖମ ରବି, that means too much coughing made their body very weak. Okay, so that's why here Swami's father giving his own view that leave alone strength. My dear children, my dear child, you please leave your strength. You are telling that strength and age is important. First, to prove yourself that you are having courage, and for that, what you have to do? So what? You have to sleep alone tonight in my office room. Agreed or not? So children, you see from your screen that Swami disputed the theory. कौन से कहला कि नहीं बापा एमती हो पार नहीं, गोटे छोट पिला केबे भी हेले भी कौन कर पारिबो नहीं, जैसे कौन करिबो ना बाघ संगे लड़ाई करि पारिबो नहीं. Then the next paragraph you see, a frightful proposition. Swami thought he had always slept beside his granny in the passage, and any change in his arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. He hoped at first that his father was only joking. He mumbled weakly, "Yes, I tried to change the subject," he said very loudly and with a great deal of enthusiasm. "We are going to admit even elders in our cricket club thereafter. We are buying brand new bats and balls. Our captain has asked me to tell you." So children, we'll see about it later. Father cut in. "You must sleep alone hereafter." Swami realized that the matter had gone beyond his control. From a challenge, it had now become a plain command. "From the 1st of next month, I will sleep alone, father." "No, you must do it now. It is disgraceful, sleeping beside granny or mother like a baby. You are in the second form, and I don't at all like the way you are being brought," he said. Children, here are some word notes. You please have a look. A frightful proposition, which means unpleasant suggestion. Mumbled, it means to speak in quiet voice in a way that is not clear. Enthusiasm, lot of interest you can say. Curtain means interrupted. And here plain command means clear instruction. Disgraceful means you can say insulting, shameful, like this. Second form, it means maturity in age and mind, boyhood you can say. Or sabuto different kotha hela pilaman, that it is class 7 during the British time. That means after standard 5 you have to go to 6. No, you have to go to first form, then have to second form. So children, here Swami excuses to escape the challenge. How? Swami tried to change the subject. He talked about his cricket club, buying brand new bats and balls, and about the captain. Then Swami said from next month onwards, he can sleep alone, which father didn't accept. So these are the excuses. Okay children. So that means here we can understood the SGP that finally what happened, you see that last that the plain command given by Swami's father, it became a command to Swami. Swami was totally not wanted to accept that challenge. That's why he done many types of excuses. So children, I hope that you have already understood whole SGP. This part 1. Definitely some more comprehension question will make you make you more easy and more comfortable to understand the text. So children, let's start some comprehension question I have kept for you. First question, when and where was the Swami's father reading the newspaper? Answer, Swami's father was reading newspaper in the evening under the hall lamp. Next question is, what did father say to Swami? Father said to Swami to listen to the news about the bravery of a village lad. Okay. Next question, what was the news about? The news was about the bravery of a village boy who could fight with a tiger. Next question you see please. How was the bravery of the village lad described in the newspaper? The village lad fought with a tiger and could save his own life staying in a tree for a half a day. Next question please. See at the screen. What did Swami say about the person who could fight a tiger? About the person who could fight a tiger, Swami said that he must be a very strong and grown-up person. The next question, what did Swami's father tell about courage? Swami's father told that courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Okay, my dear children. Next question. What did Swami's father tell him to prove? Answer. Swami's father told him to prove if he had courage. Okay, the next question is, what did Swami think to be a frightful proposition? Swami thought that his father's proposal to sleep alone in his office room was a frightful proposition. Okay, the next question you can say, what is that? Why did Swami try to change the subject? Answer. Swami tried to change the subject because he was afraid of sleeping alone in his father's office room, and so he didn't want to talk anymore on that subject. So children, next question you please see at your screen. What according to father was disgraceful? Answer. According to father, sleeping beside a granny or mother like a baby was disgraceful. So children, I hope that you have understood the whole part of today's lesson, the hero. So children, let me wind up today's lesson. Our पूर्ण तरह में next class रे देखा बा. So till then, bye bye.